Howdy everyone, this is Grandvine with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're here at the Lenox Timbergrove. We've already seen the living room here, and this is their one bedroom model. Now we're gonna go into the bedroom. So the bedroom is here, it's beautiful. That's a king bed, very, very nice, beautiful king bed that's there. Gorgeous king bed. And then take a look over here. You've got just a really, really nice wall. I love the windows that are here. They're very, very beautiful windows. It's almost floor to ceiling. It's a really pretty look and feel. And then I love the flooring. There's no carpet in here. It's just this beautiful either tile or beautiful just luxe vinyl. And this is nice in here too. Oh wow. Okay, so this is a closet in here. Very, very cool closet. There's a lot of built-in shelf space in here. There's your washer and dryer in there, and then here's the bathroom itself. The bathroom's really cute. I love this huge mirror and the lighting that's here. And then I love the shower. The shower is just so pretty in here. Hey, it's a beautiful apartment here. We're back out here in the living room and kitchen. Hey, are you ready to take a tour? Let's take a tour. Send me a text, just use that number below, and I'll set up a virtual tour anytime on your iPhone, even as early as today. It'll be live but virtual. You can see this apartment. We could also do other apartments on your tour. We can see 3, 4, 5 even the same day. We can also do a live tour anytime. So if it's a Saturday and you're ready to come out, we can set that up too. Send me a text, say hi. That's my number below. And then we'll chat and get going from there.